book that I'm going to be reading is called Wildcat, Wildcat. The author is Sejal Mehta and the illustrator is Rohan Chakravarti. Some wildcats have stripes, like the tiger. Some wildcats have manes, like the lion. Some wildcats have spots, like the leopard and the leopard cat. Some wildcats are the best climbers, like the clouded leopard and the marbled cat. Some wildcats live high up in the mountains, like the snow leopard and the Pallas's cat. Some wildcats live in the desert, like the desert cat. Some wildcats have hairy ears, like the caracal and the lynx. Some wildcats love to fish, like the fishing cat. Some wildcats are the smallest wildcats in the world, like the rusty spotted cat. Some wildcats look like house cats, like the jungle cat and the golden cat. But they are all wildcats. Thank you for listening.